Alright, here we are, part 2, Amiga computers and Raymond computer. We're going to be going over a ton of software today because we had specific requests for people to see books and software. And here we go. Alright, I'll try to go over as slow as I can for you so people can actually see what we have here. There's a bunch of files on the top. Unfortunately, some of the things that are in binders, I'm not going to tear this all down, so some of it you'll have to wait and see what it is. A little treasure for later.
I plugged one of them, it had just a RCA video cable to the TV.
Sorry if I'm a little shaky. Hard to get at all of this. I'd make sure I'm getting a clear shot as best I can. I know YouTube isn't the greatest quality, and the camera is only a 480p camera, so you're going to have to excuse that as much as possible.
Yeah, box games. That one guy liked box games. Cartridges, CMD.
Unfortunately, there isn't able to see much of what's going on here. I apologize. We'll get more to it later. Not a lot of room to walk around in here, so you're going to have to pardon the shakiness, or if I start to trip. Holding the camera funny, so if you're wondering why it's hard for me to get the good zoom in and out right now, in order to reach it so it looks good, I'm trying to keep the lighting at the right angle. It's the best shot. I don't want it to be the last time I apologize for the bad video. And I'll try not to burp today. Oh yeah.
Amigas use SCSI?
If I understand, wasn't it more SCSI until the later models?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Well, speed.
It's really unfortunately all we can see there for now. A couple more on these shelves. Some software here. There's tons of software in boxes, and unfortunately we're not going to get to it until we get that far because it's just too difficult to get to a lot of stuff. This was never fully unpacked from the last time you moved, and it's time to move again. So unfortunately it may be a while before you see some of the software titles. We promise we'll do our best to get to it and try to take care of everybody in a more timely manner as soon as things start to move. That's not happening. Okay, sorry if there's not more that I could show you really right now. So as you can see, this place is not easily navigatable. It's just piles and piles and piles of stuff.